امریکی صدر ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ CBS نیوز کی خاتون اینکر کے سوال پر برہم ہو گئے۔ خاتون اینکر نورا اوڈینل نے ملزم تھامس ایلن کی تحریر پڑھ کر اس بارے میں رائے پوچھی تو وہ غصے میں آ گئے اور اینکر کے لیے سخت کلمات ادا کیے۔ امریکی صدر نے کہا کہ ملزم ایک بیمار شخص ہے اور اس کی فضول باتیں ٹی وی پر نہیں سنانی چاہیے۔
The so-called manifesto is a stunning thing to read, Mr. President. He appears to reference a motive in it. He writes this quote, "Administration officials, they are targets." And he also wrote this, "I am no longer willing to permit a pedophile, rapist, and traitor to coat my hands with his crimes." What's your reaction to that?
Well, I was waiting for you to read that because I knew you would, because you're horrible people, horrible people. Yeah, he did write that. I'm not a rapist. I didn't rape anybody.
Do you think he was referring to you?
Excuse me. I'm not a pedophile. You read that crap from some sick person. You should be ashamed of yourself reading that, because I'm not any of those things.
Mr. President, these are the gunman's words.
Excuse me. You shouldn't be reading that on 60 Minutes. You're a disgrace. But go ahead, let's finish the interview.
The other thing that he wrote in the